At the shipyard site of the Husum Dock and Repair Companies, we want to take a look at what Woma units are capable of achieving in the maritime sector. The company Bagger and Rullmann has taken on the task of carrying out a complete surface restoration of a 30-year-old ferry ship. No easy task in its present condition. For surface preparation, there are two Woma EcoMaster Mk3 units. With up to 3,000 bar water pressure and the Woma turbo nozzle, the old coating can be removed almost effortlessly. With the other Woma EcoMaster Mk3, the top surface of the ship will be done. To ensure fatigue-free and efficient working, the Woma VacuJet 3000 is being used here. The extraction hoses of the VacuJet 3000 won't be connected in this case, since the dirty water is collected and treated in the dry dock anyway. The Woma VacuJet 3000 is an agile vehicle for sure. However, it isn't able to reach every corner. For this reason, the high-pressure gun and the Woma speed control turbo nozzle are employed in many areas. Other repairs being made on the ship are of course not impaired by the ultra-high pressure blasting and can be carried out at the same time. A major portion of the structures has already been decoated with the help of Woma units. Last but not least, the especially compact Woma EcoCold 500 bar is employed. In combination with the Woma abrasive jet gun and with the incorporation of a suitable and strong blasting agent, small remote corners can be treated with utmost precision. Thus, it's thanks to the capacity and reliability of the Woma units that this 30-year-old ferry will soon be able to resume service with renewed brilliance.